Hey guys, Woods Farm here, just out in the garage. Thought I'd make a quick video showing you a couple quick, easy hacks that you can do to improve your Mastercraft 80 amp Flux-core welder. So stick around and check it out. I've been using these Mastercraft welders for years in my shop. I highly recommend them for hobby use. However, I have come across a couple of really quick, simple, inexpensive things that you can do to really improve these welders. Okay, number one, the first real cheap, easy thing you can do to upgrade this welder, if you're going to be using Flux-core, which I assume the majority of hobbyists are, I highly recommend switching out to one of these Flux-core style tips. This one here is a Lincoln Electric brand. I picked it up at Canadian Tire for $10.99, and basically you just screw it right on. It replaces the nozzle style cover that's used for gas, and it will really improve your welding because you're going to be able to see your puddle and your bead a lot better. I find it also has the added advantage that you can get into tighter spots with it, and you can kind of weld from sort of weird angles. So I really like these tips a lot. Highly recommend it. Number two, the second quick and easy thing you can do to make this welder run a lot better is upgrade the ground clamp. The ground clamp that comes with this welder is very hokey, it's cheap, and I have found in the past a lot of times if the welder isn't running good, if it's spitting and sputtering, it's usually your ground connection. Not to mention, I've had problems just getting this thing, this clamp to actually clamp onto stuff because it's so small. So it's a pretty quick, easy upgrade. I picked up this ground clamp at PV Mart. It's a Hobart brand, and it was just over 20 bucks, so pretty inexpensive. Changing it out, really simple process. You just cut off the old wire, the old clamp, strip the wire back. You can use one of these wire lugs to make a connection, or you can just splice it directly into the new clamp. Either way, you're going to have a better ground connection and your welding is going to be a lot better. Okay guys, and just to finish up, one little bonus tip, not really an upgrade to the welder itself, but these Mastercraft welders come with these face masks. You're supposed to use these somehow to shield yourself. Total piece of crap. Don't even take these out of the box, just toss them. I highly recommend getting yourself a better helmet, preferably something that's auto darkening. Now this is a little bit more of an expensive helmet, but you can go to places like Princess Auto and they sell an entry-level auto darkening helmet that works just fine, and it is going to make your welding that much better. The learning curve is going to be that much better if you have something better than what comes with the actual welder. So I highly recommend that. Okay guys, just going to wrap this video up here. Hopefully this is useful information and it's going to help you guys improve your welding with this welder. If you're interested, I got some other content in regards to the Mastercraft welder on my channel. Specifically, there's a tutorial for how to spool the wire, and I've also got a video, an overall review of the welder itself, so check that out. If this information was helpful, think about liking the video. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below. And as always, thanks for watching.